Welcome to the Global Stunt Team Show with your host, me, Wendy. Here's my mechanic, Tammy, and my safety inspector, Cindy. And the crowd is my lawyer with the hat. And today, I'm gonna attempt to test the first ever wingless airplane. That's this plane right here. Not only that, I'm gonna attempt to do this around the, not only that, I'm gonna attempt to do it around the world in 80 days. So, here we go. Guys, are you ready? Audience, are you ready? Am I ready? Yup. Contact. We watch the skyway for the land and the sea. Ready to fly anywhere. I want to go, ready to fly. And the it says it's empty. How can it be empty? Who forgot who was in charge? Okay, Mission Control, who was in charge of refilling? Cindy? Oh no! Cindy, you would be so fired if you weren't part owner of this, but you are, so remind me to scream at you when I get back from the hospital. You got it? Understand, Wendy? Oh, my pancreas. Or what's left of it anyway.